diverter is broken. I had to buy the whole shower valve because they didn't have just the diverter at Ferguson. But I'm going to return the valve and they're going to order these and just charge me for those, for the diverter here. So, got some deep sockets. I got metric and SAE. I believe it's metric though. That just pops right off. And loosen these. And the way this just unscrews. Let me take this off first. It just comes off like so. And then these have integral stops right here, so like so, and they will stop right there. They won't go anymore. And then these just unthread. Sometimes this will get stuck in here, and it's actually not the diverter, but this one's actually the diverter. As you can see, it won't budge. So next step is screwdriver. You just undo both of these. Don't lose those because they're very important. Don't let them drop behind the wall here. This is basically what holds the shower valve together. So that just pops off. Something to note is that is on the bottom right there. Next up, this is a 19 millimeter. Your standard cowbells will not fit this. The cowbells will be slightly too big. But what you could do with the cowbells is put a dime in one of them to make up the difference. Tape a dime. There you go. Piece of trash. This is the Kohler, by the way. So then take this one out. And these will stop threading. Right there, you cannot go anymore. So snug it up. And that's good enough for me. Do not lose this little guy. As that goes right here. Right like that. And when you turn it off, see how it pops back out? And then when you're done, pop. Okay, that's that.